To teach you how to quickly sync Slack with Google Calendar. By integrating these two essential tools, you'll streamline your workflow, ensuring that you never miss an important meeting or deadline again. Plus, it helps keep all your work conversations and scheduling neatly organized in one place. So let's jump right into the steps. First, let's start by opening Slack. If you're new to Slack, it's a powerful messaging platform designed for teams and businesses to improve communication and collaboration. Once you have Slack open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll find an option labeled Apps. In case it's not immediately visible, it might be hidden under a plus sign next to Apps. Clicking this will take you to Slack's app directory where you can browse and add various integrations. The next step is crucial for linking Google Calendar with Slack. You're going to need to search for the Google Calendar app. Simply type Google Calendar into the search bar, which will pull up the option for you. Once it appears, click on Add to initiate the connection process. Now, at this point, Slack will prompt you to connect your Google account. Here, you'll see the option to allow access. Clicking Allow essentially means you're granting permission for Slack to sync information with your Google Calendar. This step might feel a bit formal, but it's an essential part of the integration, ensuring that all of your scheduled events from Google Calendar can be accessed within Slack. Rest assured, this process is highly secure. Once you've given the necessary permissions, you'll see the Google Calendar app now present inside your Slack workspace. This integration is incredibly handy because it provides a variety of functionalities. For instance, you can check upcoming events, get daily schedules, and receive event reminders directly in Slack, cutting down the need to switch between platforms constantly. Moreover, the Google Calendar app inside Slack can even notify you about changes to your schedule, keeping your day running smoothly. And just like that, you've successfully synced your Slack with Google Calendar. It really is as simple as a few clicks and a bit of setup. With this integration, managing your calendar events becomes far more efficient, allowing you to focus more on your tasks rather than logistical details. If you need to adjust settings or make changes, you can always revisit the Google Calendar app in Slack to customize it to better fit your workflow. And remember, keeping these tools interconnected not only saves time, but also enhances productivity by allowing smoother communication and planning. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.